Chapter 5. Phonic sound of O. Read aloud. Cot. Dog. Owl. Box. Pot. Boy. Oak. Corn. B. Low. Blow. G. Low. Glow. S. Low. Slow. Yale. Low. Yellow. Fail. Low. Fellow. B. Low. Below. Hole. Low. Hollow. Foal. Low. Follow. Read and learn. Row. Low. Own. Bow. Toe. Slow. Glow. Grow. Show. Know. Arrow. Below. Yellow. Snow. Hollow. Read and learn. A frog. The frog is on the log. The log is in the bog. An ox. The ox is near a fox. The fox is next to a box. Read this rhyme. It is a pot. It is on the cot. There is also a box on the cot. It is a dog. Its name is Bob. It is on a log. It play with a top.